The Left-Handed Embroiderer's Companion, a step-by-step stitch dictionary by Yvette Stanton, has 160 full-colour pages. There are over 170 embroidery stitches and their variations shown in step-by-step instructions with clear diagrams. There are photos of each finished stitch so that you can see exactly what it should look like. There are also vibrant inspiration photos for each stitch to show you creative ways to use them. This book only has left-handed instructions. We have a separate stitch dictionary, the Right-Handed Embroiderer's Companion, for right-handers. However, for each stitch, there is one diagram showing the right-handed version. So if you're a left-hander teaching a right-hander, you'll know what to do to change it for them. WS had this to say about the book. Other embroidery books might have a section for left-handers, but usually only basic stitches are presented. This book is a treasure trove of stitches that we left-handed stitchers can now learn to do the correct way. It is the best embroidery book that I own. The steps are all pictured clearly and are easy to follow. Thank you, Yvette Stanton, for recognising the need and creating this Embroiderer's Bible.